Hey YouTube, this is Southern Prepper 2, and following up from the last video I did on the prone supported firing position, I talked about squeeze bags in that video. So I wanted to make this video show you how I make my squeeze bags, how to implement a squeeze bag and what it is. You couldn't really see it in the video, so I wanted to clarify and show you what that is. So here we got several different styles of squeeze bags. Some people call them sand socks. I use airsoft BBs in them. You can also use poly pellets, which you can get from Amazon or Hobby Lobby. I just generally use airsoft BBs. You can use fabric to make them. These ones here, I actually just cannibalized a pair of OCP pants here that were non-serviceable anymore, so I cut up some material out of it. You can use a sock, old army sock. If you don't have a sewing machine or sewing skills, you can literally fill it up, tie it off, 30 seconds. The pantyhose. So you can put pantyhose inside of your sand sock, tie a knot in it, slide it down in there, and fill the pantyhose with the BBs, tie it off, and it tucks down in there. It does a couple things. It cuts down on noise. It helps hold them together and keeps them from rattling compared to one that doesn't. And it just gives it a little different texture. When you squeeze it, a little feel different. It's personal preference. Play around with it. So the way sand stock works is this rifle here is not too heavy. You know, you get in some of the bigger caliber rifles, you're talking about 18, 20 pound rifles. You don't want to be holding that buttstock. That's a lot of weight to be holding for hours and hours and hours. So when you're in the prone, you can work that buttstock onto that sand sock and it's holding the weight of the rifle. Muscle fatigue is a big thing. So, and what you do with your sand sock is you get it settled in there, and if you gotta make little adjustments, you literally just squeeze the bag. It brings the rifle up, brings the rifle down. And it's just for minute adjustments. That's all that's for. And it's carrying the weight of that rifle so you're not muscling it. So there's several options. Play around with size and style and see what you like best. Definitely for the filling, either use poly pellets or airsoft pellets. I've seen some people say, oh, use rice or other stuff like that. That takes on moisture. It's going to get sticky and it's yucky. So stick with something, some sort of plastic pellet that won't retain moisture. Thanks for watching.